Vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is key to keeping your system running smooth and saving you cash on repairs. Okay, so first off, when you're vacuuming a mini split, you want to make sure you're pulling all the air and moisture out of the system. Moisture can totally mess with the refrigerant and cause corrosion or ice buildup inside the unit. Use a good vacuum pump and connect it properly to the service ports. Let it run long enough, usually around 30 to 45 minutes, to get a deep vacuum. Then, do a standing vacuum test by shutting off the pump and watching if the pressure holds steady for at least 15 minutes. If it drops, you've probably got a leak, so fix that before adding refrigerant. When it's good, you can start charging refrigerant carefully, matching the manufacturer's specs. Don't just guess or overcharge, because that's a fast track to damaging your compressor or reducing efficiency. Always use a gauge set to monitor the pressures while charging. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping the standing vacuum test, which lets you know if there are leaks or moisture still inside. If you don't check this, your mini split might lose efficiency or break down faster. Another common issue is overcharging the refrigerant. Too much refrigerant can cause high pressure that stresses the system, so always follow the recommended amounts. Lastly, not using the right tools or not letting the vacuum run long enough means you won't get all the air out, which can lead to ice buildup and poor cooling performance. To fix these, always stick with proper vacuum pumps. Do the standing vacuum test diligently and measure refrigerant charge carefully using the manufacturer's guidelines. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for helping homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and mini splits. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to connect with clients and keep their work steady without all the hassle.